This report of the Comptroller and Auditor General of India is a compilation of matters arising out of the performance audit on school education in Odisha, pertaining to school and mass education department, covering the years 2018 to 19 and to 2022 to 23. The performance audit on school education in the state was conducted with the broad objectives of analyzing plan and interventions along with the measures towards ensuring universal access to quality education, evaluating learning environment including institutional infrastructure and effectiveness of the monitoring and evaluation by the school and mass education department. The audit observations are based on the scrutiny of records of 6 sample districts, which districts are Bhadrak, Koraput, Navrangpur, Napata, Sambalpur and Suvarnapur. 12 sample block education offices and 108 sample schools pertaining to period 2018 to 2023. The important findings in this report are summarized. Samagra Shiksha Implementation Framework stipulates participatory and bottom-up planning to reflect the local specificity, educational needs and aspirations of the people. Our planning was not participatory and bottoms-up. The district level planning team had not been constituted in any of the sample districts and none of the sample blocks had constituted block level planning team. This is paragraph 2.1.2. The details are given in the report. The budget provisions and expenditure made by the school and mass education department showed persistent savings and surrender of funds ranging from 5% during 22-23 to 18% during 21-22, with overall savings surrender of 12% during 2018 to 23. The utilization of funds ranged between 44% and 50% under Samagra Shiksha scheme. This is given in paragraph 2.2.3 and 2.2.4. Gross enrollment ratio in secondary and higher education levels declined in the state compared to increase at the national level during 2022-23 over 2018 to 19. Net enrollment rate also registered fall compared to the national level. The transition rate from secondary to higher education level declined compared to rise at the national level during 2018-19 to 2022-23. The details are given in page 16. Coming to chapter 4, which is talks about the inclusive education. From the data furnished by the district's project coordinators of 6 test check district, audit noticed that 16,410 children with special needs were eligible for transport and escort allowances during 2018 to 23. However, 380, which is 2.3% eligible children with special needs in 3 sample districts were deprived of this benefit. As the DPCs had transferred the allowances to the government on account of the children with special needs. 4.1.1.